on Hack the Box. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. Grab the IP address, start off with the Rust scan as usual. Already connected to the VPN as far as I know I am. Looks like I am. Cool. Go ahead and also check out port 80. Oh, my name is David White, creator. I create for the web. Okay. So we got anything in here? Maybe start off with a Ferox Buster or something like that on it. Okay. Let's go ahead and start off with a Ferox Buster. Nostromo 1.9.6. I feel like I've seen that before. 1.9.6 remote code execution. There we go. Okay. Let's go see what this is all about. Alright, let's go ahead and look at this file like right here. Okay, looks like it's just got a target IP, target port, the command. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So go ahead and we'll do a Python. Let's see here, Python 3, Python 2. This is line 10. I don't know what the hell that is. Pretty sure that's supposed to be commented out. There we go. Target IP, target port, and then commands say ID. See if we've got some remote code execution going on here. Connection refused. Okay. Let's try real quick like that. Okay, so Python 2 worked just fine with it. Looks like we have some remote code execution here. Let's go ahead and cat reverse shell here, a bash reverse shell. I'm thinking. Let's see if we can. Let's go ahead and see if we can do that same thing with a little bash tac c. Throw this into here for bash tac I. See if this will work. And then let's go ahead and listen. And we do get a callback. Cool. All right, so we get a callback up here. It's pretty easy so far, as long as you enumerate correctly. All right, let's go ahead and we're in user bin, cd and var www. Okay, there's no var www. Let's go ahead and cat etc password grep for bin bash. And we'll also do bin sh. We got David. Okay, so we got David. Any David in here? Nope. Okay. Let's go ahead and SUID lookup. See if we got any SUID bits there set. Not looking like it. Okay, it doesn't look like there's anything in there for SUID bits. Let's go and see if we write out to anything in etc. Nothing in there. Capabilities. Just ping, some normal stuff in there. Cron tabs. Nothing pointing out immediately to me. Let's cd/home. Do a sudo tac-l just in case. Nothing in there. Didn't see anything weird in ID. Go to cd and David. Okay, can't look in David at all. Okay, cd to etc. grep tac rw David. That's kind of weird, isn't it? They're like right there. Sub GID. It's a little bit strange, like right there. This like right here, but that might be completely normal. It might just be jacked up. I usually don't do that in Etsy, so that could be completely normal, like right there. Let's go in CD and temp. Now let's go ahead and do a CD and tools. Grab my IP address again. I'm going to grab lint piece. See if we got anything in here. This is an older box, so I'm about to say, so if sudo's messed up, most likely won't do that because this is an older box. This is an older box though. See if there's anything else before we do something like that. Not seeing anything just yet. Look at that, huh? Got ourselves a password. var to Strabo comp HT password. Okay. Where's that? Oh, that's in var. Okay, I'm about to say, like, that's weird. So if we would have did a little bit more, if we just did greptech rw David in here, we may have been able to find it like that. Let's go ahead and send that over to dev null though. But we most likely could have found, if we do, right there. So we have his password there, right? Just go ahead and CD back into desktop. This is on Hack the Box, right? And it's called, there we go. And we'll go ahead and we'll try to echo that into hash.text. John hash.text. See if we can't get this guy's hash. Maybe even SSH in as him. We'll see here in a second, I guess. Seems to be taking its time though. Almost there, hopefully. This guy's taking a minute, huh? There we go. So let's go into SSH in as David at IP address. Hopefully you can SSH. If not, we'll just SU up here. We'll just SU into David, I guess. Oh, okay. So it looks like we can't actually get in as him now, can we? I figured that. So I guess we don't have a password reuse like right there now, do we? Huh. Okay. Maybe can we log into Nostromo? It's TROMO, right? NOSTROMO. Okay. David White. Can we log in anywhere here? I didn't really look at this guy at all because as soon as we saw this, we kind of stopped. Go and Fearox Buster that thing then. What we got here? What was that IP address again? See if maybe there's a way to log in and then become David. Because that's kind of weird. We got his password. We can't do anything with it just yet. So that's also the HT password in Nostromo. Maybe that's the root password? You never know, right? I exited out of it also, so actually did I? Yep, of course I did. Nope, okay. The other one on here is David. Okay, this got a little bit more difficult, but that's okay. I'm thinking that there's something within here. Hmm. Can I change up this file? Okay, that's read only. Yes, it is. That is 100% read only. Okay, I'll see if I can maybe change up the directory for me instead of just /home. We also had that. Look here. Well, obviously that was a bad idea. Okay, we also have this backup SSH identity files, TGZ, which would be just a tar, right? Permission denied. So we're going to have to probably move that back to myself. Probably got to move that back to myself. So let's go ahead and, can we copy that? No. Okay. Can we create a web server? Okay, we can. Port 8888, right? Maybe I cannot. How the hell am I supposed to get this back to me? It says public www. I wonder if there's a way to be able to get to protected file area on the actual little thing. Is that like up here? It's taking a sweet time now, isn't it? Nope, that's not found either. How the hell are we gonna get that back to ourselves? So it definitely says public www. Same thing that we're getting. This is not the same thing. Nothing here. Keep out. Yeah, that's not a thing. Like right there. We can't download it from down here for some reason. How the hell am I supposed to get this back to us? I can't copy it. Can I copy it to temp? Okay, I think I can. Okay, cool. So now can I copy that into var Nostromo? No, okay. Yeah, I can't connect to it for some reason. Once it's in here, we can't connect to it. That's really weird. Hey, what's up? Redacted, how you doing? Can I do it on port 80? I feel like, yeah. I'm about to say, I feel like that's not going to work like right there. Firewall, it must be something. But I mean, I did just get a callback on port 999, which is kind of weird to me. Now, how the hell am I going to get this over to ourselves, though? That's what I don't get. You know what I'm saying? Like, how am I supposed to get this back to us? We have to download it somehow. How are we going to download it? Because, oh, I might actually be able to open it up now. Now that I even think about that, we can probably open it up now. What was it called again? Now it's in temp. There we go. Now it's in temp. We can just open it up. Duh. Da da da. CD in the home. CD in David. All right, sweet. Got somewhere. And it's encrypted. Okay. Let's say to John. Oh man, I did have his password, and I literally just got rid of it when I did that hash.txt, didn't I? Whoopsie daisy. Well, I can still find it. It's not gonna be hard to find again. There we go. Okay. Just in case if I need that again. Okay. I actually want to grab this again also. Hunter, okay, cool. At the IP address. Hunter, okay, cool. So we'll grab that user.text. Can I not? Oh, submit flag. Losing my mind. I'll say that's 3 so far. All right. From here, actually, we actually do have his password right up here. I already forgot what it was, but we couldn't. It said wrong password and went to SSH and NSU over to him. But maybe we already needed to have the ID RSA key. I don't know. Oh, awesome. That's awesome, Redacted. Good job. I wonder if this is going to be that. Okay, so now only for me is just useless. Okay. So you want to see if he has any capabilities or if he has anything that he can write in Etsy? Nope, no capabilities. Okay. Well, anything that he can write to in Etsy. Okay, nothing there either. Well, awesome job at getting through it. Awesome job. So now what we gotta do is just get the privs now, huh? Yeah, bin, that's different. Server status.sh. Just calling for the whole thing there. That's good. Okay, so it keeps calling for the whole thing. There's been uptime. Cat home David bin server status head. So this is allowed to be run by Dave. Let's go in cat or ls / Etsy cron d. Okay, nothing in there. Okay. So we know that it is running general CTL, right? And we know that he can run that with sudo. Now we just have to hope that, let's say that it doesn't need a password, but it obviously does need a password. Let's try to run the whole thing. Maybe I can just run this whole thing with it. Failed to su to root. I have no idea what the hell I'm in like right now. Anytime I try to type something in, it doesn't work. That's very, very, very strange. I do that. Oh, okay, there we go. We did it. No, Q wasn't working. Nothing was working. Nothing was working. I have no idea what the hell this is. It looks like Vim, but I have no idea what the hell this is. So bin bash worked. As soon as I did a slash, that worked. Cool. So we're sudo. We're root. That was weird. Alright, there's our root.txt. I'll say that's a 5, medium for that one, because that was just pure luck. I was just trying to get out of it. Just trying to get out of the damn thing, and that's what happened. All right.